Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alifita bin Johar and my friend Muhammad Akil Hakimi would like to present about the role of engineering materials in automotive industry. In this presentation session, we will explain about the justification of the material selection for each part of car and why the material is being chosen. And also, we will explain in terms of the material properties, design, market demand, and the operation cost. And also, we will explain about the environmental issue that are occurs during the process. First is introduction. Automotive industry involve more than 20,000 different parts, which made from the engineering materials such as ceramic, polymer, and also composite. The importance of material selection in the product development process has been well recognized since past decades. Best material is determined by a number of factors that influence the selection process, such as material properties, design, market demand, operation costs, and other.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Muhammad Akil Hakimi bin Muhammad Nazri, ID TA20039. Today I would like to talk about our material selection for each part for the car. For chassis, we choose steel because the main element of selecting material, especially for the body, is involved in a wide variety of characteristics such as thermal, chemical or mechanical resistance, manufacturing efficiency, and durability. Steel stands as first choice for manufacture with all the required characteristics. The best reason for using steel as a body structure is its natural capability to absorb the impact energy produced in a crash. Most important industry driver factor in the vehicle industry is the cost. The use of light elements such as aluminium and magnesium is quite pricey and must justify on the basis of advanced functionality, and that's why most of the chassis were using steel as a main substance. For windshield, we choose laminated glass. Laminated glass is a form of safety glass used in many industries, including automobile and airplane. It is their special properties that make them sturdier than regular glass and therefore ideal for use in windshield. Laminated glass has made car windshield crack repair possible owing to its structure formation. In case damage not repairable, we suggest to get it replaced with good quality laminated glass. The reason why we choose laminated glass is its high strength. Unlike normal glass, laminated glass consists two pane of glass with interlayer of polyvinyl butyrate in between. This thickness along with the interlayer material build up the strength of the glass. There is more material for a projectile. There is energy transfer from an impact to penetrate through. The strong plastic interlayer poses high tensile strength and good rigidity. All this means that it will take a lot of force to break through a windshield of laminated glass, unlike conventional single pane glass. After that, it resistant to shattering. Laminated glass also display high resistance to shattering, where many standard windshield crack under normal to above normal pressure. And finally, the laminated glass is soundproofing. Laminated glass acts as strong barrier to outside noise. Most of the sound waves passing through laminated glass get absorbed by its two layers of glass pane and the interlayer. For car bumper, we choose plastic because generally car bumper are made of plastic cover reinforced by a bar made of steel, fiberglass composite, plastic or aluminium. In addition to crushable bracket and a bar, bumper sometimes incorporate polypropylene form thermoplastic. This additional component act as spacer between the bumper and bar, not as energy absorber. Bumper protect important equipment on your car such as headlight, taillight, hood, and exhaust and cooling system. These components are all expensive to replace, and bumper can eliminate or reduce the cost of repairing them. The attribute of a good car bumper include geometry, energy absorption, and stability. The tread allows a bumper to line up flush with an opposing bumper in order to absorb any impact and maintain stability. And why we choose plastic as a main substance for car bumper is because generally plastic is low cost, easy to manufacture, durable, strong for their weights, electrically and thermally insulative, and resistant to shock, corrosion, chemical and water. And that's why I think the suitable substance for the bumper is plastic. For the tire, we choose synthetic rubber as a main composition along with natural rubber, fabric and wire, carbon black and other chemical compound. We choose synthetic rubber because in general, synthetic rubber offer better resistance to abrasion than natural rubber, as well as superior resistance to heat and the effect of aging. Many types of synthetic rubber are flame resistant, so it can be used as insulation for electrical device. It also remain flexible at low temperature and is resistant to grease and oil. Synthetic rubber also cheaper than natural rubber. That's why we choose synthetic rubber. For car seat, we use polyurethane foam. Polyurethane is a leading member of the wide-ranging and highly diverse family of polymer or plastic. They are lightweight. Over the time, density of polyurethane has been reduced by 30 to 40% while still maintaining the same mechanical properties. Satin foam, for instance, has one of the lowest density of any used in a car. The use of polyurethane also help reduce the noise for passengers. The excellent sound absorbing and vibration dampening quality of polyurethane contribute to high comfort and safety level. And finally, they are durable. Polyurethane is not prone to corrosion throughout their life. They ensure stability even under several conditions. A ceramic also used in automotive industry. They were made as a liquid polymer that is applied by hand to the exterior of a vehicle. The coating chemically bond with the vehicle factory paint, creating a layer of protection. In short, a ceramic adds additional protection to the car exterior and help it look like new with comparatively minimal cost maintenance. The coating achieves this result by making the vehicle more resilient and easier to clean. The ceramic liquid also protect the car from UV damage and oxidization. If a vehicle is often exposed to the sun, its paint will begin to oxidize, resulting in dull and fade paint. A layer of ceramic coating protects a vehicle paint from the sun ultraviolet rays, thereby reducing the amount of oxidization.
Next, I will explain about the environmental issue that occurs during the car process. Cars consume a lot of energy before they even make it into the road. Automotive production leave a giant footprint because materials like steel, rubber, glass, plastic, pen and so on must be cleaned before a new ride is ready to roll. Car pollution causes immediate long-term effects on the environment, like car exhaust emit a wide range of gas and solid matter that can causing a global warming. Car pollution is one of the major causes of global warming. Cars and trucks emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which contribute one-fifth of the world total global warming pollution. Next, uh, car will affect air, soil and water too. The effects of car pollution are widespread, affecting air, soil and water quality. Nitrous oxides contributes to the depletion of the ozone layer, which shields the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide mix with rainwater to create acid rain, which damages crops, forests, and other vegetation and buildings. Oil and fuel spills from cars and trucks seep into the soil near highway, and discarded fuel and particulates from vehicle emissions contaminate lakes, rivers, and wetlands. And next, it which occurs in human health. particulates matter, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and other car pollutants harms human health. Diesel engines emit high levels of particulate matter, which is airborne particles of soot and metal. This causes skin and eye irritation and allergies, and very fine particles lodge deep in lungs, where they cause respiratory problems. Hydrocarbons react with nitrogen dioxide and sunlight and form ozone, which is beneficial in the upper atmosphere but harmful at the ground level.
In conclusion, the selected substance must be chosen wisely because we need to calculate all the aspects such as cost, endurance, design, material, and market demand. The use of the right material will make the car affordable to have and got a good quality. I think that's all. Thank you.